Hey, this is Anthony from Rocket Prince, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic design to print on demand, e-pressing t-shirts, and embroidery. If you're an Etsy seller, then you know that handling refunds is part of running an online shop. Whether a customer received a damaged item, changed their mind, or never received their package, you know how to issue a refund right away without hurting your business. In today's video, I'll show you how to handle refunds on Etsy, plus go over the do's and don'ts to handle refunds professionally. So grab a pen and paper and hit the like button, and let's go ahead and get this started. So first, let's talk about when you should offer a refund. As an Etsy seller, you're not always required to give refunds, but there are situations where it is a good business decision to do so. So here are 5 common reasons why you might need to issue a refund. Number 1, damaged or defective item. If a customer receives a broken or defective item, a refund is the best way to maintain your shop's reputation. However, you can also offer a replacement instead. Number 2, if the package has been lost in transit and has never been updated in weeks, you might need to issue a refund or reship the item. Number 3, if you accidentally sent out the wrong product, the best approach is to send a refund or send the correct item at no charge. Number 4, the customer requested a refund before the shipment. If the item hasn't been shipped yet and the customer changed their mind, it's best to just refund them their money. And number 5, buyer's remorse. Etsy doesn't require you to give them a refund just because the customer changed their mind. But having a flexible return policy can help maintain good customer relationships. All right, now let's go step by step on how to refund a customer on Etsy. So here I got a customer saying they accidentally placed an order. They would like a refund. I responded back, okay, no problem. I can refund your money. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to go to your dashboard here. All right, and then once you're in your dashboard, you're going to select your orders, and then you're going to come down to your order here, and you're going to click on it and you're going to select it. Okay, from here what we're going to do is we're going to hit the 3 dots and we are going to hit refund. And from here you're going to be prompted to the refunds page, and it's going to give you a drop down where you can select why you're refunding the customer. Okay, reason for issuing a refund, and you're just going to simply hit it, and let's see what the options are. So you got buyer, shop owner agreed to cancel transaction, shop owner cannot complete transaction, item was not described, arrived damaged, substantially delayed, item was lost in the mail, shop owner declined sale, shop owner refunding shipping overages, and account adjustments. In this particular case, we are going to put buyer and shop owner agreed to cancel transaction. All right, and then from here, is the buyer returning an item to you? We're going to select no. All right, and then from here, I'm just going to select a quick script that I put together. And here you want to put hi in the buyer's name. Hope you're doing well. Unfortunately, I am unable to fill your order due to the reason customer requested cancellation. All right, and take the T out, and then from the bottom, I have processed a full refund for your purchase, which should appear in your account within a few business days. Please let me know if you have any questions. I truly appreciate your understanding. And then right there, best regards, and then your name and your shop's name. Okay, and then after that, you just simply want to go down, and then you can just actually put in the whole amount here, or you can actually hit this button up here where it says issue a full refund. Click that and it'll just upload everything for you. You don't have to do anything after that. And then once you reviewed your purchase, once you reviewed your customer's refund, then you're going to hit review refund, and then it's going to give you one last confirmation to make sure that you refund your customer. Okay, so this particular case was $19.05, and then we are going to hit submit. And then from there, now your customer has been refunded. And then you can see on the bottom, it says fully refunded. Okay. And then last thing, what I like to do is I like to go back to my messages. I look for my customer. And then here you can just type in just a brief message and just say, hey, I applied the full refund. If you have any questions, please get back to me. And then you can, on the bottom right here, you can actually give them a quick discount just to make sure that everything is being presentable and professionally. You can actually give them a 10%, 15, 20, 25, or even 30% off to let them know that, hey, we issued you the refund, but we still want you to shop at our shop, right? So you can also throw them a quick discount. So maybe you might just might turn that customer around again, and they might just come back because they remembered how professional you were, how prompt you were, and how quick things got taken care of. They might just utilize that coupon and then purchase something else. Okay? All right. Now let's go over some do's and don'ts when it comes to refunds on Etsy. So the first one on the list is be professional and polite. No matter what circumstance you're in, it's good practice to stay calm, be professional when handling refund requests. Good customer service builds trust and prevents negative reviews. Respond quickly. The faster you respond to refund requests, the better. A delayed request can frustrate the customer and also lead to Etsy disputes, which you don't want to happen. Offer solutions to your customer. Instead of immediately refunding, offer the customer a solution, like considering offering them a second shipment of the item to make things right. Consider offering a replacement or exchange if that will work for your business to avoid a full refund. And lastly, for do's, document everything. Keep records of refund communications, receipts, or tracking info in case Etsy needs proof of this later. Now let's go over the don'ts that you should not do. Number 1, don't ignore refund request. If a customer is upset and you ghost them, they might open up a case on your shop or leave a bad review. Don't refund without checking tracking information. Always check the tracking number before issuing a refund. And lastly, and I repeat, never issue refunds outside of Etsy. Let me repeat that. Never issue refunds outside of Etsy. Always refund through Etsy, not PayPal or Venmo or Zelle or whatever you use. Always make sure you have proper documentation through your shop and directly with Etsy. Okay? So here are some quick tips to reduce refunds in the near future. So number 1, you want to use clear and accurate product photos. High quality images help the customer know exactly what they are purchasing. Another tip is write detailed descriptions on your items you are selling. Make sure you mention size and materials or any flaws in handmade items. Next, ship with tracking and insurance if you need be. By doing this, protects you and the buyer just in case if the package gets lost. Next, have a clear return policy. Outline your refund and exchange policies in your Etsy shop so all your customers can see. Next, always communicate with your buyers. Send updates with your orders so they always know what's happening. And if you use services like print on demand, always make sure that they did receive a tracking number, and just follow up, periodically here and there to make sure that you are aware that their package has been shipped and that they feel comfortable that they know that you are responding back to them so they're not left out in limbo. And lastly, send updates on their orders so they always know what's going on. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to issue refunds with Etsy, and also the do's and don'ts with handling refunds like a pro. Have you ever had to refund a customer? Let me know how it went. I would love for you to share your stories in the comments below to let others know, just in case if I wasn't able to deliver certain situations, it would be helpful to these customers. That is the whole main purpose of this channel, to engage with you and also to bring with help with other shop owners, just in case they are running into situations something similar to yours. And that's a wrap, everybody. So hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. And if you want to see more content such as this, subscribe to my channel. So with that, you have a blessed day and a blessed week, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.